Welcome back to another delicious episode of Happy Bake Day. Today I am joined with my friends over at Ducktrap. We are going to be using their rainbow trout smoked fillets to make incredible smoked trout sliders. This trout is absolutely delicious. It's already cooked. It's got a wonderful smoky flavor. It's lightly salted. It flakes so beautifully, and it is just incredible in sliders, especially as you start thinking and preparing all of your summer plans. You gotta make these sliders. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to combine an 1/8 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 large egg. Use a whisk to whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. Next, take a fork and use your fork to gently flake your trout into small sized chunks, and then you can toss the skin. Add your trout to the bowl with your egg mixture, and you're also going to add 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Mix everything together until it's very, very well combined. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to scoop your trout filling and tightly pack it into your measuring cup. You're going to overturn your measuring cup onto a baking tray that's been lined with some aluminum foil and very generously sprayed. Once your trout has been added to your baking tray, use a silicone spatula or the back of a spoon to gently press these down into little patties. Then you're going to bake your sliders in the oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees. You're going to bake for about 15 to 16 minutes or until they are deeply golden brown. You'll remove the sliders from the oven and you'll let them cool ever so slightly on your baking tray, and then these are ready to add to your slider buns and top how you like. I love doing tomato, a little bit of lettuce, and of course some spicy mayo just to add a little kick. And with that, our sliders are ready, and I am so excited to dive right in. They are perfect for all of your summer get-togethers. They're great for sharing, and I could not have made them without this wonderful smoked rainbow trout from our friends over at Ducktrap. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, get over to Ducktrap's website to see where you can get some of the rainbow trout yourself, and of course, join me again next week.